Hi guys, welcome back to a new episode of Wake&Tech. Today in this video, I'm going to show you how you can log into your Deluxe Payroll's account. Keep watching the video till the end. To log into your Deluxe Payroll's account, firstly go ahead and launch open your Google search. On the search box at the top, type in deluxe.ca and make a search. The official page of Deluxe Payroll's account will appear on the screen. Click on three lines at the top right corner of the page and tap on Sign In. Enter your client ID and password associated with your Deluxe Payroll's account and tap on Log On. In case if you don't remember your password, click on Forgot Password option. This is how you can log into your Deluxe Payroll's account quickly and easily just in few steps. If you have any thoughts or queries, let us know in the comments section. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel. Also, press the notification bell icon so that YouTube will notify you whenever we post a new video. I hope this video was helpful to you. Thank you so much for watching.